Hello, I wanted to show you the Sketchpad tab in the Sound Organizer program. If you look at the toolbar up here, you have some red, green, blue, and yellow tools. You also have a multicolor tool selector. You have white and black, and you can set the background color using the background button. The mouse track tool can be selected. You see in it, the tool that is selected has a larger edge than the other drawing tools. So with the mouse track tool selected, I'm just going to draw on the screen. Okay, so this program is really meant to be used with a touchpad type of computer, so it's much easier to draw with your finger or with a stylus on your touchpad, but it can also be used on any Windows-based computer. Okay, I'm going to click on the clear screen button and you'll see that I can clear the screen. You can also draw lines. I'm going to select the color green this time. Okay, and I can make that smaller. Now the brush size is 5. Okay, I can make the brush size smaller by 1s now. You can look here, the brush size is 1. I can increase it to 2. You can see the difference. Okay, so on. You can draw a rectangle or a square. You click one corner, and you click the other corner, and it will draw a rectangle for you. If you click on the tool again, it will, when it has the filled symbol, now you can draw filled rectangles. The same with circles. You can draw outline circles, or you can draw filled circles. Okay, there's a segmented tool option tool, and all that does is follow you around the button, around the screen. Okay, I have 2 simple games built into the software. You can play tic-tac-toe with someone. Okay, so there's also another game that you can play. It's called Dots and Boxes. So you can, right now the blue color is selected, so I'm going to click on that dot and go to that line. Here to the next line, you see that it alternated colors to red, so that's your opponent, and back to blue. That's all automatically. Okay, so you can play dots and boxes, and you'll see that there's a bunch of different grid sizes. You can really do a lot of grid sizes if you like. So when you click the plus sign, now we'll see a larger paintbrush. So if you go from here to here, you see that it's larger. Okay, you can also turn on the sound. You see the sound is on. And now when I go
draw line red,
okay, it switched because I have the dots and boxes selected. It's going to keep
blue,
switching colors
red,
until I clear the screen.
clear screen, draw line.
So now it's just going to be drawing one color. Okay, I don't have a mechanism for adding text to this screen. If you wanted to do text or talk using words, there's other better tools in this program to do it. One thing I'd like to show you is you can change the size of the graphic. So if you save the graphic now, it will just save this part of the screen. You also have the ability to import a graphic from a file, and these are all BMP files. So I'm going to load the maze graphic. And now, by selecting the mouse
Draw
track
mouse
tool,
track.
I'm going to
Green.
Okay. So anything that you can do with a BMP file, import it. You can import some picture files if they're in BMP format. Now the program, we don't have plans to make other file formats. That will remain for other programs. You can use other software programs to change it to different file formats, to JPEG or whatever please you, but this program is meant to be simple and easy to use, and something that you can have with you at all times, so that you can just quickly write
screen.
Quickly write on the screen and be able to talk to somebody. And I hope you find that interesting. It's been a little bit of a learning curve for me to write this. So thanks for taking the time to watch.